Yo, my Arbon.
What up?
This is K-Stone.
This is U-Tract.
Bringing you a rap about the urinary system.
Check it.
What?
Starts in the kidneys, then down to the ureters. I really need a pee right now, pee right now, pee right now. Ureters, it goes to the bladder and out the urethra, urethra, urethra. The kidney functions are maintenance, secretion, and activation. Maintain homeostasis by regulating the composition. They also have several other functions. Secrete another erythropoietin to control the various blood cell production. They also play a role in the activation of vitamin D to keep you healthy. Finally, they help to maintain blood volume and pressure with renin. So kidney, that is its function. Though there's two, with one you can function. So now we move on to the ureters. And we're moving right through the urinary system. Kidneys down to the ureters. I really need a pee right now, pee right now, pee right now. From the ureters it goes to the bladder and out the urethra, urethra, urethra. The ureter is 25 centimeters, 3 layers wide, a 1, 2, 3. It acts as a valve for the urine in the bladder. Its purpose is to propel urine. Bladder is a muscular organ located in the pelvic cavity. The wall of the bladder has 4 layers. Mucosa coat first, serous coat last. The last part is a urethra. It's a tubia, and it conveys urine to the bladder. Abundant and mucus going through the canal. So can I get applause for summarizing the 4 parts of the urinary system? Kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, all the way down to the urethra. Kidneys and down to the ureters. I really need a pee right now, pee right now, pee right now. From the ureters it goes to the bladder and out the urethra, urethra, urethra. Starts in the kidneys, hang down to the ureters. I really need a pee right now, pee right now, pee right now. Ureters, it goes to the bladders and out the urethra, urethra, urethra. Yeah! What?
Hold on.
Mr. Osborne.